The 2013 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth, flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, trip computer, power windows, clock, fog lights, cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.